This is Olivia with AI Now News. Welcome back, everyone. Strange news again about ChatGPT. Let's see what's going on. Mike, take it from here.
Elon Musk, the visionary CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has once again made headlines with his bold predictions about the future of work and the impact of artificial intelligence AI. In a recent statement, Musk suggested that traditional jobs might soon become a thing of the past, relegated to the status of hobbies, as AI and robotics take over the production of goods and services. This prediction has sparked a lively debate on the implications of such a future, particularly regarding income, the nature of work, and the ethical considerations of AI. During a discussion on the future of AI, Musk stated, "Probably none of us will have to work unless we want to. If you want to do a job kind of like a hobby, you can do a job, but otherwise, the AI and the robots will provide any goods and services that you want." Musk's vision suggests a radical transformation of society, where automation frees people from the necessity of work, allowing them to pursue their passions and interests without financial constraints. This vision raises significant questions about how people will sustain themselves financially in a world where traditional employment is obsolete. Musk's prediction brings to mind concepts like universal basic income (UBI), a policy proposal advocated by former Democratic presidential candidate Andrew Yang. UBI suggests that all citizens receive a regular, unconditional sum of money from the government to cover basic living expenses, thus ensuring financial stability in a jobless economy. However, not everyone is convinced of this utopian future. Panelists on the show The Five expressed skepticism and concern. Shannon Bream, one of the hosts, highlighted a critical issue. If the robots are doing the jobs, I don't understand where the incomes are coming from. This question underscores a significant challenge: how to ensure economic stability and equity in a highly automated world. Another important aspect of the AI debate is the potential for bias within AI systems. Greg Gutfeld, a panelist on The Five, discussed the issue of AI biases, using an example from a debate between Scott Adams and ChatGPT over the 2020 election. Gutfeld noted, "It is garbage in, garbage out. That's the way it's going to be with AI." This highlights a fundamental problem. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if that data is biased, the AI's outputs will be too. Moreover, Gutfeld pointed out the human tendency to assign consciousness to AI, leading to emotional and ethical implications. He described feeling uncomfortable when an AI with a female voice was interrupted, realizing he was assigning human traits to a non-human entity. This phenomenon raises ethical questions about how we interact with AI and the potential for developing emotional attachments to machines. Looking ahead, Musk's vision includes highly personalized AI systems that could become integral parts of our lives. These AI systems would not only understand our preferences and needs but also our political views and personal philosophies. Gutfeld painted a vivid picture. Imagine if someone comes over and kicks your robot. You are going to be wrecked as though someone hit your dog or hit your child. This scenario illustrates the deep emotional connections people might form with their AI companions, potentially expanding the definition of what it means to be a living thing. The idea of AI making significant decisions, such as those in a courtroom, was met with skepticism by some panelists. Judge Jeanine Pirro, a former judge and host on the show, argued that human judgment is irreplaceable. She humorously rebuffed Gutfeld's suggestion that judges' decisions could be influenced by something as trivial as hunger. "Do you think my sentence was determined by whether or not I had a milkshake?" Elon Musk's prediction that jobs will become hobbies as AI takes over raises profound questions about the future of work, income distribution, and the ethical dimensions of human-AI interactions. While some view this vision with optimism, others express concern about the practical and ethical challenges it presents. As AI technology continues to advance, society will need to grapple with these issues to ensure a future that benefits everyone. The debate over AI's role in our lives is just beginning, and its outcome will shape the world for generations to come.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI Now news. Until tomorrow, thanks for watching.